Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat step-by-step course that works in 2019 and 20. So today we will cover model number 4, AdMob earning methods that work. What method I have personally used in my AdMob earnings. So today we will cover high CPC Android apps. Which type of apps are getting very high CPC. This is the short lecture. I will show you. I go to Google and go to Google Play Store and show you which type of apps getting very high CPC on your AdMob account. Here you can search GK quiz or GK general knowledge app, SIAL, current affairs, general knowledge, daily current affairs, world general knowledge. These type of applications you can check. These type of applications getting very high CPC. Why I know, I will show you. This is current affair general knowledge quiz app, and this second one you can check. This is also general knowledge type application. This is daily current affairs application, because these all application in education topic. If you create your application on education topic, your application Google AdSense display ads for colleges and institutes and education centers. These all type of ads are giving you very high CPC. Why I know? Because I have 10 plus Android application on this same topic and education. I have created 10 application in education topic, and after complete my application I have upload on Play Store. After that, I have promote some for real active users. I have promote on my websites, and I have promote on YouTube also, and I have promote in Facebook or something. And I have got many real user of these applications, because it's very important. If your application don't have real user, then you cannot get click from Pico Worker or Rapid Worker. If your website have real traffic on your application, for example, one of my application have 2000 download and install, active install 2000, and they give daily 5000 plus page view, and 6000 plus they give impression, and their real click are coming daily 200 to 300. This is my real work. Okay, 300 for example I got click on my AdMob application. Other thing what I am doing, I go to here Pico Worker and go to my campaign, and I have run my campaign here. For example, Android app download, install, honest feedback. I have select this category. Here we need to pay 20 cents, because this campaign some costly, so you can run this type of campaign of your application, and people are going to Play Store, search your application name, and they install in his mobile your application. After that they are using 10 minutes or 15 minutes. After using, they click on one ad, and you will got CPC $1 to $2 if your application is on education topic. Education, insurance, finance, these are very high CPC topics. So if you need to work on AdMob And if you want to earn more money on AdMob, you can create your application on education, insurance and finance topic. I have 10 plus application, I already say you, and I have earned before last 1 month I have earned $100 per day with my education application, and those application give me $1 to $2 CPC each click. So you can imagine how many I earn from my last application. But now from after 6 months I have earned more money with my Google AdMob account, but now my application don't have real users, and people are uninstall my application because the content was old, and now people need real and fresh content, so they uninstall my application, and organic traffic is finished, and I get traffic from here, Pico Worker and Rapid Worker, and I got daily click, and Google AdSense send me ad limit problem. So this is my journey, and what I suggest you always doing some real work with some fake work. What I say you before in my lectures, if your website any keyword rank on Google, then you can send traffic from Pico Worker, Rapid Worker to your website by search engine. If traffic going to your website by search engine, after they click on your ad, your AdSense not be getting ad limit problem. If your keyword are not ranked and you have sent traffic to from social media or other things, then your AdSense may be getting problem of ad limit or may be disabled. So this is the website strategy for black hat work. And for Android applications, this is my strategy. If you create 10 application, for example, on education topic, GK or something, education or exams or like this type of application going always viral, because thousands of students always are searching new application to STD. So you need to create 10 application on education topic. After creation your application and complete to upload on Play Store, you need to promote it, because you need some real traffic on your application. Once you get daily 10,000 plus page view, 10,000 plus impression and 200 to 400 clicks daily, real organic on your application, after that you can buy some click from Pico Worker, some click from Rapid Worker. You will earn $50 to $100 per day only on Android applications. This is my strategy. Thank you very much.